How to download and install AudioLab app. First of all, open the Play Store on your device and tap on the source button at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the source bar, type AudioLab. From the search results, select the app developed by AudioLab. Once you see the app, tap on it to go to its details page. From there, tap the install button to start downloading. This will take a few moments depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, open the app directly from the Play Store or from your app drawer. On the first launch, the app may ask for basic permissions such as access to your storage or microphone. Make sure to grant these permissions so that all features work without any issues. Next, take a moment to explore the app interface. AudioLab offers multiple tools for editing, recording, and enhancing audio files. You can quickly familiarize yourself with the basic functions like trimming, mixing, and applying effects. The layout is user-friendly, allowing you to start your first project within minutes. Now you know how to download and install AudioLab. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.